This is the podcast that takes a deeper dive into the alternative marketplace and explores topical issues. Today, we're delighted to be joined by Marcus Stuttard, Head of AIM and UK Primary Markets at the London Stock Exchange. We're going to look at AIM, the Pisces framework.
Pisces is the name of a brand new regulatory framework, the Private Intermittent Securities and Capital Exchange Regulation. One of the most frustrating things is when you identify a company and a management team that ultimately want to go public, and you think, actually, this will be a great public company one day, and in the intervening period, the business gets sold. And quite often, the reason for that early sale is because the founders, the management team, come under pressure or want to provide liquidity. If we bear in mind that just in the UK alone, we've got over 5 million SMEs, and of those, there are probably 30 to 40,000 what we would call visible scale-up. So companies of some real scale. Our objective is to create a seamless funding continuum. And we see AIM and the main market as core parts of that funding continuum. This year and over the last 10 years, 53% of all of the capital that's been raised across Europe's growth markets in total has been raised on AIM. One of the things that we've been saying very clearly to government is, could you put business relief onto the same footing as EIS and VCTs, for example.
Like with the sunset clause, where it got extended for 10 years.
We're not intending to make any changes to 2035. And I think even at a lower rate, that would then provide the certainty and the clarity that people
and allow tax planning. I mean, it's something we see regularly.
Global investors are recognising the opportunity that exists here
in the UK.
The UK, and in some of the key sectors that have been highlighted in the industrial strategy, and we just want to make sure that also our UK individual investors and pension funds are recognising the same opportunity.
To hear more, please like and subscribe to Alternative Thinking from growthInvest on YouTube, Spotify, and wherever you get your podcasts. This is a podcast produced for EIS Platforms Limited, trading as growthInvest. It is not intended to be a financial promotion of any sort and is intended for financial professionals only. Any comments made or opinions expressed in this podcast should not be construed as investment advice or a financial promotion. Startups and early stage businesses are high-risk investments, and you are unlikely to be protected if something goes wrong. Don't invest unless you're prepared to lose all your money.